Well, on our honeymoon, Leslie and I got to go to the Redwood Forest along the coast of California. It really is a almost magical place. It's incredible. These trees, they're hundreds and hundreds of feet tall. You can't actually see the top from the bottom, right? There's just all these branches and they're all close to one another. They have these diameters. They're huge. Some of them are 10 and 12 feet wide. They've hollowed out trunks. Leslie and I drove our car through one of these trees that's still standing. Some of them, they've been there for over 1,000 years. I mean, just think about all that happens and over all those centuries, all the storms that came against those trees, and yet here they are. They're still standing. And the secret to their endurance, to their strength, is in their root system. You know, for trees that might be 300 feet tall, it's pretty crazy that their roots don't go any deeper than 12 feet into the ground. But what they do is they spread out. And as they do, they intertwine with one another. The trees in the forest are literally holding on to one another. So as the storms come, they stand firm together. The forest is united. Well, in a similar way, the people of God, we endure together. We stand firm as we hold on to one another. Jesus, the night before he died, he was praying for all Christians. He's praying for us. And here's his prayer in verse 21, that they may all be one, just as you, Father, are in me and I in you, that they may be in us, so the world may believe that you have sent me. The glory you have given to me, I have given to them, that they may be one, even as we are one. I and them, you and me, that they may become perfectly one, that the world may know that you sent me and love them even as you loved